Is it just a cold or are you facing a flu? Knowing the difference could save you time, stress, and the trip to the doctor. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr Adnan Azad. I'm a medical doctor and a pharmacist working here in the UK. I want to break down how you can tell the difference between the flu and the cold. Both are respiratory illnesses, but they're caused by different viruses. The flu tends to hit hard and fast, while the cold gradually comes on with much milder symptoms. So how can you tell which one you have? It's a hard one because a lot of the symptoms overlap. Now, generally speaking, if it's a cold, you're likely to have a runny nose, you're going to be sneezing, maybe have a sore throat. It's annoying, but it's manageable at home. The flu, on the other hand, brings you high fever, body aches, and extreme fatigue that can knock you out for days and even weeks sometimes. A quick general tip: sudden exhaustion, tiredness, chills, and muscle aches are telltale signs of the flu. Now, when should you see a doctor? Here's what to watch out for: persistent fever above 38 Celsius, shortness of breath or experiencing chest pains, symptoms that improve but then suddenly get worse, severe headaches or confusion, dizziness if you lost consciousness, vomiting or persistent nausea, worsening cough or difficulty in swallowing. And sometimes you can even see this, you start to see bluish lips. Now these symptoms signal complications like pneumonia, especially in high risk groups such as the elderly, very young children, or even people with underlying health issues, respiratory issues. They need to be on top of this. Now if you have symptoms which are mild, it's best to just isolate yourself. You don't have to go extreme, but it's best to stay away from people, especially when it could be contagious. Have lots of rest, stay hydrated, and you can buy over-the-counter medications, which is usually enough for you to get through it. But if you're at risk of complications or things worsen, don't hesitate to get medical advice. Now, if it's non-emergency, speak to GP. Can't get hold of your GP, ring 111, and that way you'll be able to get the right help. And if it's an emergency, of course, ring 999. Don't wait. I hope this video helps for you to recognize what you're dealing with, whether it's a cold or a flu, whether you can manage it at home, and when you should see your doctor. Don't hesitate to ask at least. Don't risk it, especially if you've got something underlying. I hope that video helps. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share this video if you can. Comment below, and I'll try my best to get back to you. And inshallah, I'll see you for the next video. Take care, guys. Assalamu alaikum.